Alright guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to run an ad campaign that gets more customers to message you on WhatsApp or on Facebook or on Instagram direct. Okay, so you're going to open the Facebook app just as we have. Then you're going to move on to select the post you want to use to launch your ad campaign. So do ensure that you've switched into your business page already before continuing. So we're going to use the Gwrite business page for this tutorial video. So we're going to make it to our profile home. So you could visit your profile home by clicking on the profile picture on the home screen, or you visit your menu at the top right corner. Then you click on your profile picture to visit your profile home. So we're going to select a post which we are going to use. Okay, let's use this one. So we're going to use this post. So we're going to select this post. This is our social media management services flyer. All right, so we're going to click on the boost post. Before you start setting up your ad campaign, ensure that you scroll to the bottom and select the preferred ad account. Okay, here the GST business prepaid ad account is already chosen. You could decide to switch it to another preferred business ad account. So we always emphasize that only use a business ad account. For Nigerians, use a business prepaid ad account. That is best for you, that uses a naira currency. But ensure you do not use your personal ad account. Your personal ad account is the ad account that bears your exact name on Facebook as its own name. So ensure you don't use your personal ad account to run an ad on Meta platform, not just on Facebook. So we're going to select another ad account. So we're going to go for Health01. This is the preferred ad account we want to use for this tutorial. Okay, so you could see that this has been selected. So you could scroll to the bottom and confirm. So you could see this. There you go up and continue the setup. So let's move forward. Sometimes you could get this message while trying to run an ad. Just in case you get a message like this, you don't need to be scared. It's actually not a big issue. If you get a notification like this that says can't create an ad, verify your business, and in the description it says the account you're using is not eligible to create ads that click to multiple destinations. Please verify your business or select a single destination. Okay, though we have other ad accounts that actually has the ability to use multiple destinations, but it's good that we are seeing this issue with this particular ad account we chose, so that you'll be able to find your way around in case you experience the same issue. To be honest, for most of you who are just starting to advertise, there's a high chance that you're going to experience something like this, or you're going to get this kind of notification. So we're going to teach you how to go about it. So don't forget, since this ad objective is focused on messages, don't forget we want to get more messages from our clients. That is our objective or the goal for this ad campaign. Okay, so we selected the post we want to boost. So we scroll down and select a goal. So we click on get more messages. Okay, so you could see that the alert is still there. Okay, so we scroll down. So this is Advantage Plus Creative. So leverage Facebook data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people. Okay, so you could decide to turn this on or you could leave it off. But for now, let's leave it off in this video, okay? So this ad is not under the special ad category, so we're going to skip this. Now this is the multiple destination. So this is why they show the restriction that we are not allowed to run ads, because the business is not verified. So the business manager of that particular ad account is not verified, but we're not going to go into that for this video. So the second option is we should choose a single destination. So choosing a single destination is either we choose only Instagram or only WhatsApp or only Messenger. So for Nigerians, it's best you go for WhatsApp. Okay, so we highly recommend WhatsApp. So we're going to unmark Instagram. Once we unmark it, you'll notice that we'll be able to run the ads now. So let's go back. So you could see that the boost post now has now appeared, but before now it wasn't available. So you're going to notice that the notification that we can't run ads has been cleared because we fixed the issue. So let's move forward. Since we selected WhatsApp as our destination, for our clients to message us that will see the ads. Okay, now here is the targeting. Next is advantage audience. Okay, so you could decide to edit this, or you could decide to choose or select another targeting. Let's look out for the option. So the second option is people you choose through targeting. This, if we go for this option, we are going to manually set up our own targeting. This is what we are going to go for, but let's check out others. So this one, the next one says people who follow your profile. So the next one after that says people who follow your profile and people similar to them. So this is more like a lookalike audience. Okay, so SMM tutorials and tutorials aid. Okay, these are saved audiences already. Moving forward, I'm going to show you how to set up your own targeting. So we're going to click on people you choose through targeting. Okay, so let's click on the edit button. So most times you might want to choose the older persons in a particular region. So for this ad campaign, we're going to focus more on people from 27 years and above. You could also decide to go for 30 years, which is actually still good. Okay, so since our target audience are business owners, both male and female, so we're just going to leave it for all. So we won't select only men or women, but we're going to go for all. Okay, so this is our estimated size. Also, you can also add more regions, or if you want to target a particular state. So let's click on location. So we're going to click on the location. So you could decide to target South Africa, United Kingdom, okay, and as many country as you want. But usually it's good to focus more on a particular location. That is, you select just a particular country or a state, depending on what you want. You could also decide to select a particular state in your region. So for Nigeria, we could decide to target only Lagos. So Lagos State, Nigeria. So this city, okay. We can also decide to target Port Harcourt City. Okay. So this is how it works, okay. But for this video, we're just going to focus on Nigeria alone. Then we click on save. Now, if you notice in this targeting, we didn't see any option to target any interest or behavior. The reason is that Facebook recently removed all interest and behavior targeting for message objective, especially for WhatsApp, because they want their system to do the work for you. So this is one of the major reasons why they withdrew that access. But if you're using the desktop version of Ads Manager, you might be able to do detailed targeting where you're going to target behaviors, interests, and etc. Okay, so let's save this to continue. Then you could click on save audience. Okay, so next is the placement. So we're going to leave the placement on Facebook and Instagram. So this is perfect for us. Next is our budget. So you could decide to spend up to 3,000 naira per day or 5,000 naira per day. It's actually good. Okay, so this is duration. So you could choose 2 days, but let's just go for one. This is just a sample. So we recommend that you run your ad for at least 7 days. This is the recommendation. Run your ad for 7 days. So when you're doing your setup, ensure the duration is for at least 7 days. Okay, so make sure you go for at least 7 days when you want to run your own ads. Okay, but for this tutorial, we're just going to use one day. So you could see the estimated daily result is 1 to 9 replies, which is more like messages. So this is the number of replies that we estimate you can get each day based on your campaign performance and estimated daily reach. Okay, so you could add more fonts, especially if you go for the 7 days or maybe a month ad. So you will need to add more fonts so that your ads won't stop running. After you're done with that, you click on the boost post now.